Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Maker, let's go! You're on!
Well, that's how I used to feel when I was driving for the Lower Belleville County Unified School District.
Okay, that's it.
Hero! Wait, somebody save me! The lorry's crazy! Keep...
Like life of my whole life.
Then you know who I am. I'm Lightning McQueen.
Lightning McQueen.
Missed the spot? There, right there, in the hood, right there.
There! Bring him down, Roy!
All right.
Oh, right. Wooden brake box. How could I forget? What with all the less than sub.
Responded. Where's me? Right behind. First, pal. Make room for me.
On my way!
I'll stay up with you.
All night.
All night long. I think the king should finish his last race.
You just gave up the piston cup.
It was a great move. Hey!
Hi, I'm Miss Wood.
That was the deal. You are not a nice guy.
Well, seriously, I gotta say.
¡Ya es suficiente! ¡Y fuera!
But I am looking for piston peak air attack.
You are there.
Copy that, Jefe!
Huh? Ah.
It is a sweet taste of my homemade organic fuel.
No, doesn't agree with my.
Didn't have a choice. Mater didn't get to say goodbye.
Goodbye! Okay, I'm good.
Boy, we ain't as dumb as you think we are.
Kiss the pavement goodbye, gentlemen. When I'm finished with you, you'll have mud in places you didn't know you had.
Mama is right here.
Don't worry, Mama.
Lesson 1. You're old. Accept it.
I told him that.
He's probably smarter than him.
Bobby? Who is that?
I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Thank you.
That Francesco is fine looking.
And those open wheels.
Stay with me.
Lightning McQueen must be killed.
No!
Persistent little bugger for a 2-cylinder. Finally, I said,